and visualization using Microsoft Excel. We are covering here basic Excel functions and modification of worksheet. We will learn about the basic functions. Modification, we will learn how we can modify the sheets. Learning objectives of the session. By the end of the session, you'll be able to understand the structure of Excel formulas, use routine Excel functions, apply autofill to your data, modify the worksheets, know more about your Excel option, and customize ribbons. So let's start with the basic functions. It's divided into three parts of an Excel function. So first we are writing here equals to and then name of the function, and after that the arguments we are passing to this particular function name. Points to remember, functions are predefined, so you can use the combination of function that is allowed. So